Hi guys, Guillermo is here. Welcome back to the Revit architectural training tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Move tool and all its features. Let's begin. In this and next tutorials, I am going to explain the most common used tools in the Modify menu tab. Let's start with the Move tool. To move an element you can use different methods. Method number 1, select the object and simply drag and drop. Click and hold the left mouse button and move your cursor to the desired position. The element will follow your cursor. Simply release the mouse button to place it in its new location. Method number 2, select the Move tool from the Modify menu tab. Have a look at the options bar. There is a checkbox that constrains the movement of the element to the vertical and horizontal axis. Now you have to choose a starting point and then an end point. Revit moves the element the same distance and angle as the path between the 2 points. Remember to use the snap points to move objects more precisely. Alternatively, instead of a second click to place your element, you can also just type in a value you wish to move the object by. Select the object, click the Move tool on the Modify panel, and then, click for the starting point. You would then move your cursor to set the direction you want the element to move in, and then simply type a numeric value on your keyboard and hit the Enter key. Revit then moves the element that specific distance, in the direction you set with your cursor. Just be aware when you move a hosted object such as doors or windows. Remember that these hosted elements need a host to exist. Make sure that there is a host in the location you wish to move the element to receive it. If I move the door, which was hosted in the wall, over to the right past the end of the wall, and I try to locate it in an empty space. Notice how I get an error message explaining that there is no wall to embed the door. The two elements involved in the error message, the wall and the door, are highlighted in orange. A non-precise method of moving elements is known as the nudge method. You simply select the element you want to move and then use the cursor keys on your keyboard to nudge it either left, right, up, or down in the active view.